Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Alpharetta, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are digging into a simple but important question. How much cover do you really need over your deck or patio? We will look at three options: open sky, pergolas, and solid roofs, and when each one makes sense. Let's start with open sky. An uncovered deck or patio gives you full sunlight, open views, and simpler construction. It is great for star watching, sunbathing, or yards with a lot of natural shade from trees. The trade-off is less protection from rain and midday sun, so you may not use the space as much during hot or stormy weather. Next up is the pergola. A pergola adds slats or beams overhead that break up the sun without fully closing off the sky. It can support string lights, fans, and even climbing plants, giving the deck or patio a sense of structure without feeling like another room. Pergolas work well when you want some shade but still like the feel of an outdoor open space. Finally, there is the solid roof or covered porch. This option offers real shade and much better rain protection, which can make your deck or patio feel usable in more seasons. It also opens the door to future upgrades like screening in the area or turning part of it into a sunroom. The trade-offs are higher cost and more framing, along with the need to match the roof line to the existing house. Your deck materials interact with these choices. Composite boards from brands like Trex handle sun, rain, and daily use with less maintenance than traditional wood, which is helpful in both open and partially covered areas. Under solid roofs, materials see less direct weather, but still need to look good and clean up easily as the space gets used more often. Thinking about cover and materials together helps you build a space you will actually enjoy year-round. If you would like help deciding what mix of open, shaded, and covered space fits your home, you can reach our team at 77501-7337 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersalpharetta.com to learn more about our deck construction services. At Tough Deck Builders Alpharetta, we look at your sun exposure, existing roof lines, and everyday routines before recommending pergolas, roofs, or a combination. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Alpharetta. Use this episode as a guide as you picture your future outdoor space in real weather, not just on perfect days. We will be back with more practical outdoor living advice for homeowners around Alpharetta.